My name is Gilson Martins. I'm an Oracle ACE director. I live in São Paulo, Brazil, and I'm been in the ACE program since 2020. But why we do that? Why we use vectors? So each type of data have some similarity if they are closer or not. The first one that is retrieved is football, which is right. So football have a goalkeeper. Let's see what information is related to quarterback here, NFL. Hello everyone, my name is Gilson Martins. I'm an Oracle ACE director. I live in São Paulo, Brazil, here in this place that you are seeing me. I'm working as an IT professional for the last 20 years. I have some specialization and I'm almost known by working with Oracle Golden Gate. I speak Portuguese, English, Spanish. Isso aí, bienvenidos. And I'm been in the ACE program since 2020, so it's almost 6 years now. But I work with community and as a speaker since 2017. If you're not connected with me, you can be connected. Just put your camera in this QR code and let's get connected. So I'm going to talk quickly here in this presentation about data vector and how it works in the Oracle Database 26 AI. But first of all, let's do a quick recap and check what is data vector and embedding models. In summary, we have many types of data like image, text, and audios, and this data we use an embedding model to transform this data in vectors. And these vectors are added in a vector database. But why we do that? Why we use vectors? Let's check this example. For instance, we can have in one single table many different types of data, like this data with a color blue. It's a king, a man, and a woman. And this information is related. So as is related, it's near each other. And we also have apple, banana, and orange, which is fruits. So this information, these vectors, it's also near, closer each other. And the last one, which is sports, football, golf, and tennis. When we see the vectors, they are also near, closer each other. So each type of data have some similarity if they are closer or not. And to retrieve this data, how we do that? We use similarity metrics. And we can do this in some ways. One of the ways that we can use it's the ones that I'm showing here, and we call this as a vector search. For instance, we can use the Euclidean distance. We can measure the distance of the vectors to see if they are similar or not. We can use the distance of these vectors, and we can use the align of these vectors with all of these options here. And this is what you're gonna do here in this section. I'm gonna show you. We are gonna create a table with the data type embedding, and we're going to use the vector embedding function from the Oracle database. So let's start and see how it works. I'm going to open here my demo. I'm already connected in a database 26 AI. Just to checking here the model, the AI model that we are going to using here is this one. And I'm going to start here quickly with this query. And what this query is doing, we are using the vector embedding function from Oracle database, which is native. I'm adding this information as a text, and I get as a result the vector data related to this information here. This is how it works. So let's do demonstration here using this data in a table. I'm going to create a table with this embedding model. I'm going to insert some information here. Some information here. And let's check. So we have here king, man, and woman. And see for each one of this information, which is text, have its related vector. Okay, and now we're gonna add some more data here, which is fruits. And now we are gonna see that we have apple, banana, and orange. And let's insert a couple of more data here. And now we have football, golf, and tennis, which is really nice, right? So we have all the data here and all the related vector for each data. And now I'm gonna add some more information just so we have more data in this table. So we start to do some vector search. Okay, so here we have all the data here as a text and also as a vector. And let's start doing a vector search and retrieve this data. The first thing we're gonna do is, let's check with this query, let's select using the AI model, all the information, all the vectors that have some human person related. And when we do this, we're gonna receive all the data with an order by the data that it's related to human person. So we have here the first vector is woman, then man, and hey, we have the NFL, banana, and basketball. Yes, sometimes this can happen because the algorithm will look at the vector which is, in this case, closer to each other. So it's not precisely, it's not the same as when we do a select with semantic. When we say, for instance, let me looking for information where the human person is equal to woman. It's not like this. I'm just checking, I'm just seeing what type of a human person do we have. And this is the information that we're gonna be retrieving. Let's check the other query. Now we are looking for the information of the vectors which have fruits. So let's do here and let's see. Oh, now it's more precisely. So we have pear, banana, grape, apple, and orange. It's ordered here, all the top 5 results, and the other one is the other data vector, which is not similar. So it is gonna be retrieved, but it's not in the top 5. Now, what about sports? Let's check now all the sports that we have. When we do the query, we're gonna have the sports here. So football, basketball, tennis, NFL, and volleyball, which is really nice, isn't it? So let's try to do this a little bit more interesting. So let's find the data related to goalkeeper. Which information we have here that it's related to a goalkeeper? Let's see. So the first one that it's retrieved, it's football, which is right. So football have a goalkeeper. Let's check another one, quarterback. So let's see what information is related to quarterback here. NFL, it's the next one. Really nice, isn't it? So we are almost finished. Let's check just this last one first. The one with Charles 3. Charles 3, it's a king, right? So it returned top 1 as a king. And Elizabeth II, let's see. So Elizabeth II retrieved here, returned the query as a queen. So in summary, this is how data vector and vector search works in an Oracle Database 26 AI. Hope you have enjoyed and liked this video. Thank you very much.